Right. So what I'm thinking is we're going to switch it up a little bit and we're going to start to build a game with some of these basic concepts that we learned about, scriptable objects, things like that. And for that, we're going to need some packages. So let's go to Window and then Package Manager. And let's open this up for a second and look for Unity Registry here and let it refresh the list. I'm going to pause the video as it refreshes. So go ahead and type in AI here. And we're going to grab the AI navigation package. And it looks like mine's already in my project. If you don't import it, I'm just going to hit update and then type in BE. And we're going to do, let's see. Now, if you don't see behavior, like you type in BE here, according to the Unity documentation, you have to click the little plus here, and then you have to go install package by name. And then you'll get this little package box up here. And what we can do is in the name field, just type in com.unity.behavior. And then the package, like where it says here, the version, which is optional. Oops, let's try that one more time. And then just hit install, and that should install the behavior package for you. So now you can see that it added it under AI navigation. It added a behavior here. So that should install that for you. Then we want Cinemachine here. Let's see what's going on in this project. All right, let's see. I'm using 6.0.2. Maybe we have to upgrade our. So let's see, create. And again, if that's not in there for you either, let's go ahead and pull that down. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's go to Unity Registry here. I think that's the problem. So here's Unity Registry. Let's see, it's this guy right here. And then let's type in CIN. There we go, Cinemachine. And it should be installed. If not, just go ahead and click install like mine. And then we're going to be using Unity's input system versus what we have already. So you want to go ahead and update that or install it. This is going to be, this is different than what we were doing where we're typing in horizontal and vertical in the previous tutorials. So let's go ahead and close that out. And that should be all the packages we need. And what we'll do in the next lesson is we'll, again, continue to build this out. I just want to make this a short one. It looks like we've got some scripts missing on our cube, but that's okay. We're going to delete our cube out, and we'll go to File. We'll do a fresh scene here, Basic URP. We won't save this. And that way we have a clean scene for our next lesson.